How to open folder without using mouse in Mac? I'm recently switched to Mac from Windows. It was quite a pain, but I am now adjusted to the Mac commands and shortcuts, except one. That is whenever I select a folder and press return/enter, it executes the rename. While I was expecting it to open it, is there any way I can change the shortcut?
To open it, you can use either of these two keyboard shortcuts. +O, the standard shortcut for opening files. +.
I use Command+E or arrow keys.
As well, you can also use Command+Shift+G while Finder is active and type the path of the folder you want to open in the box that appears. E will open your Pictures folder.
Same situation, but I used my pane by switching to the View as Columns view, Command+3, and navigate to any needed place just using all the arrow keys. If needed, I can again quickly switch to my previous view with Command+1/2/3 or 4 shortcuts. This is better, in my case, than staying in Icons view and navigating with arrows up and down.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.